Today we will show you how to upload your CSV file on Jupyter Notebook. Then how Pandas will read your CSV file. Okay. So at first you have to upload your CSV file on Jupyter Notebook IDE. Then use the Pandas CSV reading function. So then Pandas will read your CSV file. Okay, so for that let me open my Jupyter Notebook and I'll type here Jupyter Notebook. Okay, now I will copy this link to open my Jupyter Notebook IDE on Google Chrome. Copy, then I will paste it on new Chrome browser. I will paste it here. And I will open new Jupyter file. Okay, now let me close this. Delete. I will write import Pandas as PD. Then at first here we will upload our CSV file. Okay, for that you have to go on home tab for your Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so this is starting opening the Jupyter Notebook IDE. Okay, so here you will get the option for uploading. Okay, so in the corner side you will get the option for uploading your CSV file. I will click on upload. Then my CSV file is on desktop, so I will click on desktop. Then we'll search for CSV file. Okay, so let me search. Yeah, this is Excel practice data. Okay, this is CSV file on desktop, so I will click on open. Now this is my CSV file. Now I will click on upload. Okay, so scroll down and you will get your CSV file. Okay, so you can see here this is your CSV file. Okay, now what you will do here, I will copy this file name. Okay, like this I will copy it. Then I will write here data equals pd dot read underscore CSV function. Okay, inside the double quote I will paste the name of that CSV file like this. Now I will click on run, and now I will run the data variable here. Okay, click on this, you will get all your data for your CSV file. Okay, now suppose I want to show the data for CSV file only top to 5 rows, so I will use here head function like this. Now I will run this data and you will get top 5 rows 0 to 4 index number. Okay. Suppose you will pass here only 2, so you will get top 2 rows for your CSV file data. Okay, like this. Now suppose you want to rename for your CSV file. Okay, for that, so I don't click on this. I will check this. Then scrolling up, then you can rename your CSV file. Suppose I will only give the name of this file like this. Okay, so click on rename. Now this file, this is not your CSV file name, because I have renamed this CSV file name. Okay, so now I will run this program and you will get the error, I think. Okay, now I'll set data equals pd dot read underscore CSV inside the double quote. I'll write, I will not write here, only I will copy the file name. So this is the file name. I will copy this here. Now let me run this program, and this is your new CSV file name. Okay, now you will give the .csv, then let me run this program. You will get the error because for now our CSV file name is as Excel practice data new only, so that's why you are getting here error like this. So I will remove this, because this is the only the name for my CSV file. Okay, now I will run this program and you will get success. Fully Pandas is reading your CSV file. Now I will run data file. Okay, data variable, I will run this. Now you will get this like this. So this is that how will you upload your CSV file and how will you rename your CSV file. Then run your program and then Pandas will read your CSV file like this. Okay, so thanks for watching my video.